Not funny.
Mommy,
What?
look.
Stop
Mario.
right there. Hold it. Oh, there it goes.
It's okay. It's okay. It's kind of hard to do it that way.
Look. Mommy, look.
What's in there? Is it
Hello.
an Easter egg?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
This be fun. This is be fun. Just be fun.
Kenzie, this is fun.
Yes. Look.
What's that?
Big.
Egg? Easter egg?
Yes. I will take this one out. Oh, here.
Yellow doesn't work so well on a brown egg, huh?